Yo, what's good? It's your boy Bike with another video. Today I am going to be announcing the winner of the Hamp Wacom Cintiq 16 giveaway. Now, first of all, I just want to thank everybody who participated in this. We had about 500 plus entries. That's good. I wanted to keep it small to kind of reward the people who have supported me so far. So without further ado, we're going to announce the winner. Can I get a drum roll, please? Drum roll. The winner of the Cintiq 16 is going to be Michael Anthony. Michael Anthony, you are the winner. Now, I emailed Michael Anthony yesterday. Michael emailed me back. We exchanged. We got his address and stuff like that. So after I get done making this video, I am on my way to the post office to send this thing off. Once again, I want to thank everybody for participating, and I will see you in the next video. Believe that.